Welcome to your own YouTube channel English Gyan by Santosh SethStep. Today I'm going to talk about the important question answers of the chapter by Vikram Seth, The Frog and the Nightingale. Why were the creatures of Bingle Bog happy when the nightingale arrived? They were tired of the frog's harsh croaking. The nightingale's sweet melodious song felt like a fresh breeze in a long stuffy room. Her voice brought peace, beauty, and relief. How did the frog take advantage of the nightingale? He pretended to be an expert musician, praised her to win trust, and then imposed training, scoldings, performance schedules, and fees. He controlled her activity until she lost confidence and health. Why did the nightingale fail as a singer in the end? Because she surrendered her natural talent to someone who did not care for her growth. She overworked, became anxious, and lost her originality under the frog's pressure. Her lack of self belief led to her downfall. What do you learn from the poem? Trust wisely. Not everyone who appears experienced has your best interest at heart. Preserve your individuality. Praise can be a trap when it comes from the wrong people. How does the frog represent false leaders or fake mentors? He pretends to be skilled, gives harmful advice, and uses someone else's talent for personal gain. His confidence is loud but empty. He symbolizes people who manipulate weaker, talented individuals. Why is the poem considered a satire? Because it humorously exposes the frog's arrogance, the nightingale's gullibility, and society's tendency to follow confidence even without substance. The poem pokes fun at false experts and insecure artists. And now, character sketch. The main character, the frog, the villain, you can say, a rude, boastful, insecure, and manipulative. He maintains power through noise and intimidation, not talent. The nightingale, on the contrary, is gentle, talented, sensitive, and eager to please. Her innocence makes her vulnerable to exploitation. So, the theme of the poem is originality versus imitation, exploitation, innocence versus cunning, blind trust, artistic integrity, social criticism. Thank you.